Hello and welcome all of you, and you're watching K Commerce Academy with me Kunal Singhal. So in the chapter of retirement of partner, this is our second lecture. As we had already studied, that is whenever we get a question of retirement of a partner, we need to make these fixed 6 adjustments. That is calculation of new profit sharing ratio including gaining ratio, accounting treatment of goodwill, revaluation of assets and liabilities, distribution of accumulated profits, losses and reserves, and adjustment of capitals if so asked in the question. One additional adjustment that is have been shown in blue, that is payment to the retiring partner. The method of payment to the retiring partner we had already discussed in our previous video. If you have not watched that, just watch it on my YouTube channel. So today we'll be starting with the calculation of new profit sharing ratio including gaining ratio. We have one question, that is A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. C retires and his share is taken by A. C retires and his share is taken by A. Complete share of C will be added to the share of A. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of A and B, obviously after retirement. So the old profit sharing ratio given in the question is A, B and C in the ratio of 5:3:2. And further information is given, that is C's share of profit, that is 2/10. We can just see C's share of profit is 2/10 will be acquired by completely by A. B का इसमें कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होगा, जो C का कंप्लीट शेयर है वो A के शेयर में ऐड हो जाएगा. So let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio of A and B. So A has old profit sharing ratio of 5/10 plus what he has received share of C, that is 2/10. So new profit sharing ratio for A is 7/10. B was having a old profit sharing ratio of 3/10 plus nothing have been received by him, so as it is 3/10. Therefore new profit sharing ratio among A and B will be 7:3. That is our answer for this question. Let us move with one more next question, that is P, Q and R are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:5:3. P retires and it is decided that profit sharing ratio between Q and R will be same as existing between P and Q. P का रिटायरमेंट हो गया और Q एंड R का न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो कितना होगा, जितना पहले P और Q का था. तो पहले P और Q का कितना था वो हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 7:5, वही न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग हो जाएगा Q और R का. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So we have old profit sharing ratio between P, Q and R as 7:5:3, and the new profit sharing ratio among Q and R after P's retirement will be 7:5 as information available in the question, that is Q and R will share the future profits in the ratio as it was earlier shared between P and Q. So obviously 7:5. Let us move for the calculation of gaining ratio. We have gaining ratio equals to the formula for calculation of gaining ratio. Gaining ratio equals to new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. For Q and R we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. We have for Q 7/12 and for R 5/12. From this we will deduct old profit sharing ratio of Q, that is 5/15, and old profit sharing ratio of R, that is 3/15. So finally we have got for Q 15/60 and for R 13/60. Therefore the gaining ratio among Q and R will be 15:13. New profit sharing ratio will be 7:5 and gaining ratio will be 15:13. That will be the answer for this question. Now here in front of you 3 questions are there, of which question number 10, the first one, that is P, Q and R were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:5:3. I have already solved just the previous one, अभी जो हमने किया. The second and the third, that is as per this picture, serial order number 11 and serial order number 12. You can just solve it in your homework for the practice purpose, so you will be able to know whether you have understood the topic of calculation of new profit sharing ratio including gaining ratio or not. If you find any sort of doubt, either you can rewind the video, watch it once again, or you can mention it in the comment. And do not forget to subscribe the channel.